Some of the biggest YouTube videos in 2025 were created by people who never showed their face. Imagine viral short-form documentaries narrated by a voice that isn't even human, or calming digital worlds that millions of people use to fall asleep, all generating passive income around the clock. These aren't fantasies, they are the new reality of content creation. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the 5 faceless ideas crushing it in 2025, but also how you can copy these exact strategies to make money on YouTube without ever stepping in front of a camera. The explosion of faceless content in 2025 isn't an accident. It's a perfect storm of powerful, easy-to-use AI tools, an insatiable audience demand for bingeable content that can be consumed anywhere, and a dramatically lower barrier to entry. You no longer need a fancy camera or a charismatic personality to build a massive audience. You just need the right idea and a system to execute it. I've been analyzing hundreds of viral faceless YouTube channels this year, dissecting what works and what doesn't, and these 5 ideas consistently stood out as the most profitable and scalable. So let's stop talking about it and dive right into the first groundbreaking idea that's taking over the platform. Our first idea is AI narrated documentary shorts. This is the ultimate fusion of short-form content and compelling storytelling. Think about it. The human attention span is shorter than ever, and people crave knowledge, but they want it delivered quickly and powerfully. These channels are mastering this by creating 60-second deep dives into fascinating topics. Unsolved historical mysteries, shocking science facts, biographies of obscure geniuses, or breakdowns of major global events. The reason it goes viral is simple. It's a complete, satisfying narrative arc delivered in under a minute. The visuals are typically a fast-paced montage of high-quality stock footage, historical photos, and animated graphics, all stitched together to support the story. But the secret ingredient is the voice. Using hyper-realistic AI voice generators, these creators can produce a crisp, professional, and endlessly consistent narration without ever saying a word themselves. This allows them to scale production at a speed human creators can't match. They can test dozens of topics a week to see what hits the algorithm just right. The retention tactic is all about the hook and the loop. The first 3 seconds present a shocking question or a bold claim that forces you to stay, and the story concludes just as the short is about to replay, making it incredibly easy to watch 2 or 3 times in a row. These faceless YouTube channels are basically content factories for curiosity. But the next idea is even crazier because it earns passively 24/7, even while the creator is sleeping. That brings us to our second viral idea, relaxing ambient and lo-fi channels. In an increasingly loud and stressful world, the demand for digital sanctuaries has absolutely skyrocketed. People are actively searching for content to help them study, focus, relax, or sleep. These channels cater directly to that need by creating immersive audiovisual experiences. We're talking about 10-hour-long videos of a cozy, rainy night in a futuristic Tokyo apartment, a crackling fireplace inside a snowy log cabin, or the gentle hum of a spaceship cruising through the cosmos. The video is often a single, beautifully animated loop, while the audio is a carefully crafted mix of calming music, white noise, or ambient sounds like rain, fire, or wind. The virality comes from utility and duration. When someone finds a soundscape that works for them, they don't just watch for a few minutes. They play it for hours on end, day after day. This generates an astronomical amount of watch time, which is exactly what the YouTube algorithm loves to see. The monetization opportunities here are massive. The long video format is perfect for mid-roll ads, which can stack up significantly. Beyond that, successful channels land lucrative sponsorships from wellness apps, headphone companies, and mattress brands. They also build loyal communities who are willing to pay for memberships to get exclusive soundscapes or ad-free versions. The beauty of this model is its passive nature. Once a video is uploaded, it can continue to get views and earn money for years with zero additional effort. It's a true digital asset. But idea number 3 takes almost zero editing, and the channels behind it are blowing up by tapping into a timeless human fascination. Our third faceless idea is the modern listicle and countdown video. This format is the bread and butter of evergreen content on YouTube. It's simple, formulaic, and has an incredibly wide appeal that can be adapted to literally any niche imaginable. Top 10 scariest deep-sea creatures. 5 historical facts that sound fake but are true. 7 most luxurious mega yachts in the world. The titles themselves are pure clickbait in the best possible way. They create an information gap that your brain desperately wants to fill. You just have to know what's number one on the list. These videos went viral in 2025 because the creation process has been streamlined to near automation. Creators use AI tools to generate scripts and ideas, an AI voice to narrate, and a library of stock footage and images to provide the visuals. The editing is minimal, often just simple text overlays announcing each number in the countdown. The wide niche appeal is their superpower. You can create a channel about gaming, history, celebrity gossip, luxury travel, or bizarre science, and the listicle format will work every single time. It's a proven psychological trigger that keeps viewers engaged until the very end to see the final reveal. This is one of the easiest ways for anyone to start a faceless channel because the formula is so clear and repeatable. It's less about creative genius and more about consistent production, which AI tools have made easier than ever. The next one is shocking. People are going viral and building incredible authority just by doing this one simple thing on their computer. Idea number 4 is the screen recording and tutorial channel. This is arguably one of the most valuable and evergreen types of content you can create because it directly solves a problem. Every single day, millions of people go to YouTube and search for they want to learn how to use a piece of software, how to fix a technical issue, or how to master a digital skill. These faceless channels answer that call. The content is simply a screen recording of the creator walking through a process with a clear voiceover explaining each step. You never see their face, only their cursor. Whether it's a tutorial on advanced Excel formulas, a guide to video editing in DaVinci Resolve, or a walkthrough of setting up a cryptocurrency wallet, the demand is endless. This works so well because it creates immense authority. When you solve someone's specific, frustrating problem, they instantly see you as an expert. This builds a loyal subscriber base that trusts your recommendations. This trust, combined with the specific nature of the content, leads to some of the highest CPMs or ad rates on YouTube. Advertisers are willing to pay a premium to place their ads in front of an audience that is actively looking to learn a specific skill or buy a specific product. It's a direct line to a highly motivated audience, and it requires nothing more than a screen recording software and a decent microphone. The last idea is by far the most underrated and visually stunning faceless content trend in 2025. Our fifth and final faceless idea is AI-generated animation and storytelling, where technology and creativity collide to create something entirely new. With the rise of AI video tools, creators can now produce animated shorts, fables, and stories without traditional skills. By feeding a script or prompts into an AI, it generates characters, scenes, and animations, producing a visual style that feels fresh and captivating. These channels are exploding because they merge timeless storytelling with cutting-edge tech. Viewers are hooked, subscribing to see the next AI-generated chapter, bizarre comedy, or thought-provoking short. This format works for modern fables, skits about current events, or abstract visual poems, and since the tools are so new, the creative possibilities are endless. It lets you be both animator and director without years of training, opening a new frontier for faceless creators. But here's the thing, knowing the ideas isn't enough. You need a proven system to turn them into income streams. If you're serious about building faceless YouTube channels in 2025, you don't want to waste time on trial and error. You want a roadmap from someone dominating the space. That's why I recommend Matt Parr's Tube Accelerator program. It isn't just another course, it's a system. You'll see how he makes over $100,000 per month on YouTube without creating a single video. He's mastered outsourcing and systemizing faceless channels to generate income on autopilot. If you want to build a real business here, this is the resource you need. Click the first link in the description to discover how to build multiple income streams on YouTube in 2025. No video creation required. It's built for people who want results. So a quick recap, the 5 faceless video ideas dominating 2025 are AI narrated documentary shorts, relaxing ambient and lo-fi channels, modern listicle and countdown videos, screen recording tutorials, and AI generated animated stories. Don't get paralyzed by choice. Pick one that excites you and start today. Consistency always beats perfection. If you got value from this video, subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks, and check out that Tube Accelerator link to see how the pros are building media empires behind the scenes. In my next video, I'll reveal how some faceless channels make 6 figures per month using AI tools alone, so hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss it.